In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a new face angle for an existing image with Krita and ChatGPT. This was an image that I created with ChatGPT earlier today. Please check the description to get all the prompts used in this tutorial. I have shared a prompt to generate an AI prompt to imitate any images available on the internet. Please feel free to generate a similar image that looks just like this by using the same prompt. I'm using Krita to create a base image, but we can use any other applications. Let's upload this image to ChatGPT. Let's create a before and after YouTube thumbnail next. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.